Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with IFTTT for quick UI event triggers, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and visit the IFTTT website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button in the top right corner. You can choose to sign up using your Google account or your Apple ID for quick access. If you prefer, you can also sign up using your email address. Fill in the required information and create a secure password. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your IFTTT dashboard. To create a new applet, click on the Create button. Next, click on the this part of the applet. You'll be prompted to choose a service for your trigger. Explore the available services and select the one you want to use. Now, choose a specific trigger event from the selected service. Once you've chosen your trigger, follow the prompts to connect your account if needed. After setting up your trigger, click on the Then That section. Choose a service to handle your action. Select the desired action event from this service. Proceed to connect your account for that service if this is your first time using it. After configuring the action, review your applet settings. Make sure everything is set up as intended, then click the Finish button. Your new applet will now be live, ready to respond to your triggers. To manage or edit your applets, return to your dashboard at any time. IFTTT offers a diverse range of integrations, so feel free to experiment with different applets. Enjoy automating your tasks and enhancing your workflows with IFTTT. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.